In Chicago, one of the most relaxing ways to dine is down by the river. On the South Street, just across the river from Wacker Drive, is a place where roasting isn't just a way of cooking, it's an art form. That's right, we're here at River Roast. We love to find places where you don't just dine, but you have an experience. So I'm here with Jay Schuster, who's the general manager of River Roast. Jay, thanks so much for having us today.
Thanks for coming in, Adam.
Tell me about the River Roast experience.
We actually set out to make an experience, but we found going out, so many people, instead of enjoying the dine experience, like family style meal, would get out their phones, Instagram, it's all about where they were, what they're eating, and not really enjoying the experience, the people that they're with.
Yeah.
So we do family style. You'll see when food comes up to the table,
Everything goes
gathers
away.
around,
Everybody
phones
gathers
are
around
away,
to eat.
and it's an old style supper.
Sure, no, that's great. You have tons of space outside, tons of outdoor space, all, right along the river, right?
We're so fortunate. So we have literally a city block worth of space right on the river. So half of which we devote to the restaurant, the other half to our private events.
So you do everything from big to small?
Exactly. We have 6 different rooms, anything from 16 people to 400 people.
Sure.
And anything in between.
Wow, that's fantastic. Look, I gotta tell you, I'm seeing all this food going by us and I'm getting antsy. We gotta try this food, okay? Let's see what the chef is roasting up for us.
We're here with Chef Cedric Harden to tell us more about the River Roast art of roasting.
The River Roast started with Tony Montuano, John Hogan. They took a trip to England. They went to a restaurant that had a great roasted chicken with potatoes. They're like, why don't we come back to Chicago and open a restaurant like that?
It sounds awesome. Tell us all about your menu.
One of our specialties here is our charcuterie, which everything's house made. We do, one of our famous things we do here is the boar and fig, which is boar, pork fat, all ground, with a little fig, roasted fig in the middle. And also our mousses, we have a rabbit mousse there and a chicken mousse, which is phenomenal.
Yeah, wow, it looks great. What's that over there?
Over there we have our house wedge salad, which is John Hogan's mom's recipe for the Thousand Island dressing. We have pickled red onions, blue cheese crumbles, bacon, confit tomatoes. So a lot of goodness on the plate, definitely.
And I don't want to miss what is this honey up
that
here?
That one there. So that's our little nuggets of gold, I would call it. We call it our gabbets. They're a deep fried chicken thigh, breaded with flour, our house seasoning, with a little honey drizzled on top. It's just amazing what honey does to chicken.
So the pork is your favorite, but what's the fan favorite?
Fan favorite is the chicken. That one, that's definitely the love of them all. The roasted chicken, which we do in our, it's a dry and moist heat cooked chicken at really high temperature. You get that nice crispy skin on the outside, but definitely super juicy in the middle.
Looks wonderful.
Thank you.
Well, if you want to try the art of roasting for yourself, stop by River Roast.
You can find out more about River Roast and all of our Chicago destinations on IMTS.com/Chicago. Thanks so much for having us here.
Thank you very much.
I think we're going to have to dig into this food,
Please
right?
do.
Absolutely.
Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. To see more of the Around Chicago series, head on over to IMTS.com/IMTS TV for our full collection of fun Chicago attractions, hotels, and restaurants. Man, take a look at this view.